The industrial machinery industry is a $2.5 trillion sector that encompasses a wide range of products and is growing every day. But it's not easy bringing a machinery product to market. There's a lot of intricate knowledge and details that go into it. At PECO, we've seen it all, and we know what it takes to succeed. With over 55 years of machinery manufacturing experience, we want to share our knowledge with you. That's why we've put together a list of the 5 most important pillars of machinery manufacturing. These pillars will help you succeed in this complex and rapidly changing industry. The first pillar is the bill of materials. Your BOM is extremely important because it holds all the ingredients and organization that make up machinery, equipment, or instrumentation. It's referenced both during the manufacture and at the time of service. Regardless whether you're outsourcing or manufacturing in-house, an accurate bill of material is going to drive short and long-term success for your builds. The second pillar is CAD models and prints. CAD models and prints are other pieces of information that serve as the blueprints of the machine at a much more granular level. CAD models are a 3D generated simulation of the entire machine and a powerful tool for today's machinery engineers who need to analyze and solve problems at an accelerated rate. Prints, or detailed drawings, are 2D interpretations of the models with more notes, specifications, and acceptance information. The third pillar is sourcing. With BOM laid out and your design completed, procurement will then need to source all the parts. There's always a combination of custom fabricated parts and COTS items. Depending on the economy, COTS should be relatively easy to find with reasonable lead times. In the cases where they aren't, your engineering team should be able to provide alternates. When sourcing custom parts, you'll need to identify the best mix of price, reliability, and lead time for each part. This is a very time-consuming process and helps to leverage previous relationships. If sourcing for your builds become an issue, an experienced contract manufacturer like PECO can help you manage your supply chain and get you the best possible outcome without the time and hassle. Fourth is critical parameters. Fundamentally, there are inputs, processing, and outputs associated with each piece of capital equipment. Inputs can be more than just materials and energy. There can be human elements, environmental elements, and many more. Outputs are the end game. The machine has a final function that must be standardized, and the outputs must be defined with full clarity. Overarching the inputs and outputs are noises and constraints. Properly vetting your technology and synchronizing the theoretical and the realistic is critical to ensure successful manufacturing that meets expectations. The fifth pillar is factory acceptance testing, or FAT. A well-defined factory acceptance test has to exist so all parties can agree on what is good. Factory acceptance testing usually involves powering up the machinery and performing predefined steps to ensure it meets specifications. This might involve running a specified number of cycles and measuring the output against some range of expectations, measuring features, checking electrical connections, buttons, and sensors. Whether you're an OEM with a team of engineers and manufacturing folks, or outsourcing your machinery builds to an equipment contract manufacturer, the pillars are universal. If you can master these pillars, you'll be well on your way to success. We hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please don't hesitate to contact PECO.